All right, so this is a 2010 335i, and I'm doing the headlight ballast. I took the headlight out. I probably should have shown how to take it out, but you should probably figure out how to do that. It's really fucking easy. Let me see here. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna pop it up real quick and show you. Yeah, I already started working on the headlight, so yeah. It's super simple. Okay, guys. You know, there's like a torque 30, or I think torque 30, yeah, or something like that, T30 or whatever. You take one here off, you take one here off, and then you take off, there's one underneath here by the wheel well, and there's, you just finick it out, and then you just take it out, blase blase. All right, it's out. All right, so when you get the headlight out, this is kind of like, I guess, this is the harder part of the whole situation, because originally I thought I would have to like take this shit out, but apparently that's not it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing right back where I found it, and I'll put the cover back on for that. So this is the ballast, okay? So you just take it out, the cover right here, it's right next to the plug. So you take out this cover, and then the ballast will reveal itself, and you just plop it out with the two clips, and then it becomes free. So let's change this shit out. Okay. All right, so I took it out. I took the cover off. I'm taking the two clips out, and now it comes with like the wire and a plug. So I'm gonna try and take it out with one hand. See, it comes right out. So this is out. Out goes this bad one. Looks like it's original, I mean German. So this is 35 watts.